In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your website on HostGator, whether you're just starting or transferring an existing site. Let's dive right in, and don't worry, I'll guide you through each part, making sure it's as smooth as possible. First things first, you'll need to log into your HostGator customer portal. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. Signing up is straightforward, and once you're in, you'll be greeted by an array of options. But for today, we're focusing on purchasing hosting. If you already have a hosting plan with HostGator, feel free to skip this step. If not, you can purchase hosting without needing a new domain name. This is especially useful if you're transferring an existing domain or simply haven't decided on a new one yet. Just follow the prompts to choose the hosting package that best fits your needs. Next, we need to head over to cPanel, which is your control panel provided by HostGator. It's your central hub for managing your website. Once inside, we're going to add your existing domain as an add-on domain. You'll find the add-on domains option in the domain section. Here, you can enter your existing domain name. Don't worry, this process won't affect your live site during the setup. After setting up the add-on domain, it's crucial to update your domain's name servers at your current registrar. This step connects your domain with HostGator's servers. You'll need to change the name server settings to point to HostGator's specific ones, which you can find in your cPanel or on HostGator's support pages. This ensures that visitors reaching out to your domain will be directed to your new hosting account. Now that the groundwork is laid, it's time to bring your website files over. If you've got your files ready, you can upload them directly through the file manager in cPanel, which works like a file explorer. Alternatively, if you're thinking of using a content management system like WordPress, there are one-click installation options that make setting up incredibly simple. The interface will guide you through the process, and you'll be up and running in no time. Once all set up, there's one final step: testing your website. It's essential to wait for DNS propagation, which usually takes anywhere from a few minutes to 48 hours. After that, visit your domain to see your website in action. This is a crucial check to ensure everything looks just as it should and all links are functioning properly. And there you have it, a complete guide to setting up your website with HostGator, whether you're starting fresh or transferring from another host. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Happy website building!